Namaste friends, here is China. I just want to give you the last episodes of the China tour. Now here the acrobatic shows will be shown to you, two more episodes. You know, many countries do not have this kind of shows, and I really want all of you to enjoy, share it and subscribe it so that many people could view it. Now, the many important facts and figures about the Chinese acrobatic show I already am explaining in this program, and please watch it. At the same time, I also want to give you one or two other informations about how the people communicate in Chinese language. If you want to say, hi, how are you? You know how you ask? Ni hao. Also, if you have to say the good night, wanan. Wanan means good night. Now you also say for thank you, thank you say sheshe. Sheshe, sheshe means it is thank you. And they also say for the good morning, zo, Z-H-O-W, zo. So these are different little communications. And when the telephone comes, so we say hello, they say we. So they use English very little, unlike us. For us, even our grandmothers use a very good English languages in between. So watch the video, see the acrobatic show, share it with many people, subscribe it and enjoy. Thank you. See, in China, when we talk about the performers, they are very strict and disciplined, I told. Now, this has all started as a show of 100 tricks during the Qin and Han dynasties. Later, a variety of acrostic performance such as traditional conjuring, vocal imitation, taming animals, and horsemanship have been described in books and historical relics in 1949, with the founding of the People's Republic of China, Chinese acrobats have developed rapidly. On the basis of collated and transplanted brought the nascence of many new programs. They keep rejuvenating, they keep changing this over and over and over and above. The achievement is, for the development of the last 40 years, Chinese acrobatic has played an important role in cultural exchanges between China and other nations. Chinese acrobats have toured to warm expos in more than 100 countries and regions throughout the world. In 1982, Chinese acrobats have attended in 13 international competitions and won 23 gold medals. So this you can understand. The same year, China joined the Circle of Tomorrow festival for the first time in Paris, and since then Chinese acrobats have won the award of the President of France 5 consecutive times. Why China? Because the kind of discipline, the kind of awareness, the kind of responsibility they shoulder at a very young age, or maybe from 2 years onwards, that is remarkable. It's a brief introduction I would like to give you of the basic training. To become a competent acrobat, students must begin training the basic skill when they are from 2 years or maximum by 5 to 7 years old. Because of difficult and risky techniques employed in acrobatics, students must restrain themselves from a good deal of pains to obtain the gain. Two of the basic skills that the students must practice every day are the handsprings and somersaults, which is very difficult for everybody. Apart from somersaults and handsprings, waist and leg flexibility and headstands are the other basic skills students must master. The training is long, hard and intense. So each actor of the acrobat is seized of stunt. Other than that, one cannot achieve all these experiences. It is an envying passage when you see that something which one cannot. As you see from the very beginning of the life and the history of China itself, the way they have constructed the effortsome wall, which is the Great Wall of China, you can understand how well bearing they are. There'll be how many men would have died. Those days there were no machines, There were no such weightlifters. It has to be done by the human being all alone. That itself shows the ability which they show on that. Even see, when they eat, we are able to control our arms, our fingers, which we do. It's easy for us to eat. But at the same time, see the way they eat. They eat with 2 sticks. These 2 sticks, they're taken a different way. And rice, and even thinner than rice items, they easily chew beautifully. That's what it shows. So when they have a group performance, they do not make mistake, at least on the stage. Of course they must be making mistakes, but it is a fantastic, fabulous experience which they go through and what we go through, of the enormous years of experience and the strain and the struggle and the pain which they go through. They don't return in between. They don't generally. Either when they start, they may probably don't show the interest after 1 year or a few months. But otherwise, once gone, they continue with it. And as they grow, they reap the fruits. The end of the play, they all come together clapping their hands, and they show, and see all the people, they show enormous kind of gratitude to us before they retire. And this shows how that every day you can see even smallest children also doing that. It's a kind of rhythm, it's a kind of music, it's a kind of entertainment. The thing is, we cannot put the music in this because we get a claim, copyright claim. Now this is the shopping time in China. As I told you, they are very particular about having at least one shopping a day. Now jade, which is a very famous item in China. They have a Buddha temple in Shanghai, very famous, which is a jade Buddha temple. Now with the jade, like we treat pearl and diamonds and precious stones and gold, the yellow metal. They have this plenty of understanding with jade. They also believe certain jades, like we believe certain diamonds are very good for our fortune and progress and prosperity. They also believe certain jade, jade Buddha and jade, some of the colors and some of the items are very good for their fortune, and the children, if they wear, they pass the exams without any problem, and they make monies and all kind of life assuring stuff. So what they do is they buy this, and this is one of those such shops of jade, which has enormous selection of jade jewelries and jade decoration, interior decorations, and many of the the animals and peacock kind of birds, all these structures, and it's just simply too good. But they're very expensive one, less expensive one. They even have dog and cat and horse and everything done in jade. So for us to buy and to keep something in our living room is something very great and fantastic. In every Chinese household, we could always see this. Some of them, they have lions and tigers and leopards and elephant and everything in the jade. Different kinds of jade. Generally, the green colored jades, they call it very auspicious. They have black jade, white jade, green color, pink. Everything is, all colors are there. Now, this is not a factory; it's purely selling place. Glasses and forks and so many things. So this is the shop, and for us, according to them, 40 minutes we must simply give. So when to our people, when we say 40 minutes, even if it is they don't want also, it's not enough. So this goes. So now we are back to the tour. It's we are going to see the Great Wall of China in a different direction. We have shown you from the Badlang place. This is a different version, different place. So you can see the buses lined up over there to have a climb on the Great Wall of China. The only man-made monument which is probably visible from moon, they call it. Since many of us nobody has been to moon, we do not know how that looks or correct or not, but there are pictures etc of the Great Wall of China taken from moon and also from the space shuttles and spacecrafts. That is why we believe that it is true. So a lot of discipline, many things which we have to learn from China. Why not? If there are positive things we can take, it's always a welcome sign. Our people also, when we are there, we are also very well disciplined. But after some time, that discipline we forget, because nobody over here follows discipline, and that's it. Even to take the photographs, the way the photographer explained how they should remain, our people just immediately listen. Otherwise, we say they won't care for what we're saying sometimes. So, well, they manage in 2 minutes time. And sometimes there are 2 guides, sometimes 1 guide.